Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy XCover 5 and today I will show you how we can change your lock screen wallpaper. So as you can see, that's how it looks in my case. And if you want to get rid of that, hold your home screen and then go for the wallpapers. Here we got lock screen and here we got our home screen. You have to pick the wallpaper services, gallery or my wallpapers, so you have to decide what you want to get, what wallpaper you want to get. I'm going to use my wallpapers, and for example I'm going to change the lock screen wallpaper for this one. So choose and then pick the lock screen. Click to set on the lock screen and take a look right now. As you can see, our lock screen wallpaper has changed. And that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.